Okay. So, hello everyone. Tere kõigile. This is Barry Crost, a teacher of mine, one of my teachers. Barry Crost on siis üks minu õpetajatest, with whom I met in Constellation Conference a few years ago, kellega ma kohtusin siis konstellatsioonikonverentsil mõned aastad tagasi, and also later, and he was also one of our teachers in Janine Lee Gabby's Constellation Facilitators training in Australia. So I have met Barry many times already. Ja Barry oli siis üks meie õpetajatest ka Janine Lee Gabby konstellatsiooni väljaõppekoolis, mis toimus siis Austraalias. Ja Barry andis meile seal siis mitmeid tunde. And I'm also a client. Or how to say, I work together with you and you've been very helpful with difficult issues I've had. Ja et ma olen ka Barry klient ja Barry on mind aidanud mitmes teemas, mis on minu jaoks olnud väga rasked. So when we discussed to offer those knowledges that Barry has to also to other people, then we discovered that there are not so many teachers who teach this topic that we are about to run, right? Et kui me arutasime, et jagada seda teemat ka teistega, siis me leidsime Barryga, et ei ole väga palju inimesi või õpetajad, kes sellel teemal üldse õpetaks. So we decided to bring this course to you, so you can have all part of it and have those knowledges that are very, very significant while we are working with clients and we are facilitating family constellations or any other part of constellation, even in private therapy. Nii et see teema on väga oluline just eriti selle tõttu, kui me oleme konstellöörid, töötame klientidega ja need teemad tulevad ülesse või kui me töötame kas või mingi osaga konstellatsioonidest, siis erateraapiates. So Barry, no further ado, I will give you the word, et mitte enam rohkem venitada, annan siis sõna Barryle to introduce you with few words and whatever you want to say for the beginning.
Well, I'm Barry Crost. I live in Chicago, Illinois in the US, and I've been a body worker and energy healer for over 40 years. And beginning in 2003, I started working with family constellations, and I just really got so much from it that I've really continued.
Barry Cross siis elab Chicagos, Illinoisis ja ta on töötanud üle 40 aasta siis kehaterapeudina ja aastal 2003 tutvustas siis konstellatsioonidega ja ta on sellega tegelikult alates sellest ajast peale sellega ka töötanud ja kasutanud seda.
Yeah, I loved the work right away. And eventually I became trained as a facilitator with several different people, and I've done a lot of training in the years since.
Ja mulle väga meeldis see ja ma olen väga paljude juhendajate käe all siis ennast treeninud ja õppinud alates sellest ajast peale.
So in this course, we're going to look at 4 major mental health issues that are really important that we need to know more about.
Sellel kursusel me siis vaatame 4 siis vaimse tervise teemat, mis on väga-väga olulised, et me vaatame sinna sisse.
We're going to look at schizophrenia,
Me vaatame
bipolar,
bipolaarsust,
narcissism,
nartsissismi
and borderline personality.
ja piirialase isiksushäiret.
Yeah, Bert Hellinger worked with these things, and he said it's some of the deepest work we can do.
Bert Hellinger töötas nende teemadega ja ta ütles, see on üks sügavamaid töid, mida me saame teha.
What's different in the way we look at these things is we look at like schizophrenia as a systemic illness, not just an individual illness.
Ja see, mis on siis erinevus, on, et kui meie teeme seda tööd, siis me vaatame seda kui süsteemset, mitte kui personaalset haigust või ühe isikule kuuluvat haigust.
That means we can work with schizophrenia without having to work with someone who's schizophrenic by working with the entire family system.
mis tähendab siis seda, et me saame töötada skisofreeniaga, aga mitte ilmtingimata inimesega, kellel on skisofreenia, sest me vaatame tervet peresüsteemi.
All four of the mental illnesses we'll be looking at are different and have different systemic sources.
Kõik 4 vaimse tervise teemat, nendel kõigil on erinevad süsteemsed siis alged.
So in each course, we'll look at, we'll have a lecture and discussion about each topic. We'll have exercises, demonstrations, charts, so that we can begin to look at each one and how it's unique.
Nii et igal moodulil me siis vaatame seda igat teemat eraldi, meil on kaardid, meil on praktika, meil on teooria, me teeme demonstratsiooni, et õppida, tundma ja vaatama, kuidas süsteemselt, mis seal taga on.
One of my goals is that we learn to feel how each of them is different. So we feel schizophrenia, we feel bipolar, we feel them as unique feelings in the field of energy, and we get to know them.
Ja üks viis, kuidas mina õpetan, on siis see, et me õpiks tajuma, kuidas on tajuda skisofreeniat, nartsissismi, bipolaarset isiksushäiret või piirialast isiksushäiret, et me õpiks aru saama, mis seal taga on.
These conditions can be very confusing and paradoxical, so we need to be able to be calm and easy when we're working with them.
Kuna need teemad võivad olla väga paradoksaalsed ja väga sellised segadust tekitavad, siis me peame õppima jääma väga rahulikuks, et sellega töötada.
So I'm hoping by the end of the course, we'll be able to look at these things in our own families or with our clients in a very easy and understanding way and feel our way through what we can't actually understand totally.
Nii et selle kursuse lõpuks ma loodan, et ja minu eesmärk on, et me saaksime kõik töötada nende teemadega kergelt ja tunnetades sellest teema, et minna tunnetades nendest teemadest läbi ja minna läbi selliselt, et me samal ajal ei pruugi üldse sellest aru saada, mis täpsemalt toimub.
And I think this will work with anybody who's a psychotherapist or an energy healer or a family constellation practitioner. This should really help in dealing with these very common kinds of conditions.
Et tegelikult need teadmised aitavad ka psühhoteraapias või ükskõik millist tüüpi energia ravitsemist sa teed, et aitab sul töötada nendel teemadel ja aidata kliente.
I'm really excited to be able to do this work, and it takes us very, very deep.
Ma olen väga põnevil, et seda tööd teha ja see viib meid väga-väga sügavale.
This work really takes you deep into an understanding of family constellation dynamics
Et see töö,
it's a very deep way.
nii et see on väga sügav viis, kuidas minna sügavatesse peredünaamikatesse ja aru saada, mis seal toimub.
Yeah, I'm really excited to offer the class, and I look forward to seeing any of you that wants to join us.
Ja ma olen väga elevil, et kursust teile hakata juhendama ja mul on väga suur rõõm tutvuda kõikidega, kes osalevad. Okay, so one question.
Sure.
How did you get to that topic?
I have a lot of clients who started coming to me that had these situations, and I had to sort of figure out what to do.
Ma küsisin siis, et kuidas Päri ise selle teemani jõudis ja tema vastus on, et kuna väga palju nende teemadega kliente jõudis temani, siis ta hakkas sellega tegelema ja seda uurima.
I also, Bert Hellinger has a number of videos where he works with schizophrenia that were very interesting and challenging.
Ja samuti Bert Hellingeril on päris mitmeid videoid, kus ta töötab nendel teemadel, need olid väga sellist väljakutset esitavad ja rasked ja ka väga huvitavad.
There was one constellation in particular that was so alarming to me. I was like really wondering, what is Bert Hellinger doing? And it felt, I couldn't understand it. So I've watched that one many, many times, and that really got me trying to understand.
Ja spetsiifiliselt üks video oli selline, mis siis tekitas sellist alarmi mu sees ja ma mõtlesin tõesti, et mis asja see Bert teeb. Ja ma vaatasin palju kordi seda videot enne, kui ma mõistsin, mis seal toimus. Yeah, and these videos are actually available in Hellinger DC Institute, right? Et need videod,
HellingerDC.com.
jah,
Uh,
et need videod on saadaval siis hellingerdc.com veebiaadressil saab osta ja neid vaadata, et täitsa soovitan endale soetada neid.
yeah. So there's a number of examples, and they've been teachers to me, and then I've just encountered so much of it.
Ja need videod on olnud ka minu õpetajad ja ma olen nendest väga palju saanud ja see on ka üks koht, kus ma olen palju õppinud selle teema kohta.
I was very it was very surprising to me that I could feel how each of them was different.
Ja see oli väga üllatav mu jaoks, kuidas igaüks nendest oli minu jaoks väga erinev.
And then the universe started sending me many people who had these things, and I was able to help them.
Ja kuna universum hakkas ka siis järjepanu mulle nende teemadega kliente saatma, siis ja mul tekkis sellega ka võimalus neid aidata. It's very
So
interesting.
yes, I keep learning, and but I feel pretty good about sharing it now.
Et ma õpin endiselt selle kohta, aga ma tunnen juba ennast päris kindlalt, et ma võin ka seda teemat hakata jagama teistega.
Yeah.
Okay, Barry, thank you very much.
You're
We will
welcome.
see you soon, next
Mhm.
Sunday already.
Yes.
And we are all set. All the papers are translated, and you can see all the dates here, and also on my website www.minat.ee. Et me oleme tegelikult valmis, juba kohtume järgmine pühapäev 14. juulil. Saate siis siit vaadata infot ja samamoodi minu kodulehelt www.minat.ee ja Facebooki grupist Minad, and also from Facebook group Minad. So looking forward already, it's very, very interesting topic, and this is one of the topics that are a lot afraid of. Ma väga-väga ootan juba seda kohtumist, sest see on ka teema või need on teemad, mida väga-väga kardetakse. So it's very important for us to get those knowledges. And one thing I want to refer to is when we were discussing this course, you said that there are different perpetrator victims dynamics between each disorder.
Yes,
Ja,
each one has a very different source.
ja kui me arutasime Päriga seda kursust, siis Päriga ütles mulle, et iga selle häire taga on erinev agressor-ohver dünaamikad ja Päri nüüd just täiendas, et just nad tulevad erinevatest allikatest. So this is all what we are going to learn and to know and to sense and to rehearse. Nii et see on kõik see, mida me hakkame õppima, harjutama, tajuma. So in order to be better facilitators, et olla siis paremad konstellatsioonijuhendajad. Thank you, Barry, for joining me for this short chat and for being available for us to teach us.
Oh, you're welcome.
Ja ma tänasin Barryt siis, et ta selleks väikseks vestluseks oli aega ja et ta tuleb meid õpetama. Nii et aitäh. Thank you, Barry. For here it's night, so good night from Estonia and good afternoon and have a nice end of the day.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon.
Mhm.